AI is your friend. You can fact check anybody's bullshit. Don't think that AI is fake. It's what you ask AI. If you ask AI garbage, garbage in, garbage out. It's a programming. So if you don't ask the right questions or if you're not intelligent, you're not going to get the right things out of AI. It's not a pretend. Use it as an encyclopedia, not as creating bullshit. For example, you're not supposed to ask AI why the defense dropped, why the prosecutors dropped 3 of its charges. What you need to ask is, has the defense objected? You think that you're getting away easy and the case is almost going the way the defendants want. But what if the prosecution is sacrificing its queen to get you in checkmate? Here's how the prosecution has tainted the jury with all of the bullshit that they put in, but now are dropping it at the last minute. And why the defendant, the only defendant in a RICO trial, Mr. Combs, and his defendant team should and must, but they didn't object to the 3 drop charges, the arson, which I just made a joke about because that was the joke from the beginning. The kidnapping, which is another joke. Are you kidding me? Kidnapping? And the last charge, aiding and abetting sex trafficking. All of that is relevant. I keep warning you, don't celebrate so fast. It looks like an easy win and a not guilty for Sean Combs. And I hope it is. I really do. Because I think he deserved a fair trial, and he's not getting one. But if they dropped all of these weak predicate acts to fine-tune it so that the jury can make a simpler decision, that is a lie. That's not true. What they're actually doing is they've got all of this testimony that they've dropped now into the minds of the jurors. You can't unsee that. You can't unspill milk. It's already a stain on this trial. This is why you should have filed another motion as the defense for a mistrial. You just filed one, so I know what you're thinking. Oh, you can't file 2 in a row. That's bullshit. Whatever you don't file in the lower court, you can't file on appeal. You can't address anything on appeal because the appeals court, the appellate division, is going to say you had an opportunity to object during the trial and you didn't. So don't celebrate just yet that 3 of the predicate acts were dropped. They should have never been included in the first place. That is the rookie judge that allowed this in the first place. That's what you're not getting. Do not celebrate. Mr. Combs is in serious trouble here. And the forfeiture of assets should make you realize that this is not over. Even if he wins this case, it's not over. He's in the fight for his life, not just for his freedom, but his legacy, his empire. They're going to take all of that shit, period. Hopefully not. That's what we're hoping for. We hope that he gets a fair trial. But I'm telling you, don't celebrate this quick. This is a long fight. And only those who are in his pocket or those who are really down for him are going to realize how much further he has to go. Look what his mother, God bless her, has to go through on a daily basis with you assholes standing out there calling her names. Y'all need your ass whooped. I really do think that. His son is having to come put up with y'all bullshit every day. And let's even say what Cassie went through. Nobody's disregarding that. But this is about fairness during the trial. And the only reason he's on trial, he's a rich black man. Close your eyes and think about all of the underage girls, the adult women that have actually experienced sexual trafficking. There is no 5-month off time. I haven't seen you in 5 months to sex traffic me. That is what the prosecutors presenting to you, and you're saying that yes, this must be it. Or some of you are saying, oh, that's easily not proven. That's not it. This is not a checkers game. This is chess, not checkers. Peace to the universe.